This is Lacy Robertson, the hardest working woman in mortgage and real estate nationwide, and I'm bringing you this week's report of California company layoffs, starting with the letters A through F. If you know my story, you know that it was years ago that I was in escrow. I was getting ready to purchase a piece of property. And I signed loan documents. And if you've ever purchased a piece of property before, you know there's no rescission period. Unlike a refinance, you got 3 days to think about it, think whether you're going to pull out of the transaction if you want to still move forward based on all of the terms. And unfortunately, when I sign my loan documents, I go to work hours later and I find out that myself and 399 other employees were getting laid off that day. I am committed to sharing this information because one, I was thankfully able to unravel that transaction and not have my loan closed because I didn't have a job. But I want to help people. What would you do differently if you knew there was a slim chance or there was a chance that you could be laid off? Would you decide not to buy that new home or new piece of property or upgrade? Would you not buy a brand new car or splurge in the mall or go on a dream vacation? What would you kind of sit and let it be on the back burner until you knew, hopefully, that you were safe? So this video is going to cover California company layoffs that start with the letters A through F, and this information is good as of October 18th. So all I ask is that you give me grace, right? You know it. I need grace saying some of these companies' names and their street addresses. As long as you promise to give me grace, then I'm going to go ahead and give you the information. And then I want you to stick around because once I give you this list, I'll let you know when they're laying off, the company, how many, and the location. But there's always good news. I'm not going to leave you just with this information. I want you to know that if you've experienced a loss of income due to a job loss, a layover, a divorce, an illness, whatever the case may be, you do not have to lose your home just because you lost your job. You don't have to lose your investment property just because you lost your job. So stick around. I'll tell you how to find more about the services that I provide. If you just can't wait, go visit me at modifymenow.com. Okay, so let me get started. On November 10th, Accenture is laying off 100 people at 34750 Campus Drive in Fremont. On November 10th, Accenture is also laying off 140 people at 34800 Campus Drive in Fremont. Black Line Systems is laying off 21 people at 4301 Hacienda Drive, 5th floor in Pleasanton. You have Black Line Systems on October 22nd, also laying off 95 people at 21300 Victory Boulevard, 12th floor in Woodland Hills. October 21st, Certified Freight Logistics is laying off 4 people at 1483 West Anderson Street in Stockton. October 21st, Certified Freight Logistics is laying off 150 people at 1344 White Court, Santa Maria, California, obviously. November 6th, you have ChargePoint Inc. is laying off 79 people at 240 East Hacienda Avenue in Campbell. November 7th, Coronado Brewing Company Inc. is laying off 27 people at 875 Seacoast Drive in Imperial Beach. October 27th, Corteva AgriScience LLC is laying off 31 people at 901 Lover Ridge Road in Pittsburgh. October 25th, CSL Pfeiffer is laying off 85 people at 200 Cardinal Way in Redwood City. You have October 31st. Del Frisco's Grill is laying off 53 people at 1551 Ocean Avenue, Suite 105 in Santa Monica. November 7th, Divvy Homes, Inc. is laying off 95 people at 300 Montgomery Street, Suite 350 in San Francisco. November 17th, DNATA US In-Flight Catering is laying off 2 people at 291 Coral Circle in El Segundo. You have on November 10th, DNATA US In-Flight Catering is laying off one person at the same address, 291 Pearl Circle in El Segundo. You have Farmers. The rest is Farmers Group. Listen to this. October 30th, Farmers Group Inc. is laying off 135 people at 6303 Owens Mouth Avenue. That's in Woodland Hills. On November 17th, Farmers Group is laying off one person at the same address, 6303 Owens Mouth Avenue in Woodland Hills. Then December 26th, Farmers Group Inc. is laying off one person at 6301 Owens Mouth Avenue in Woodland Hills. October 30th, Farmers Group Inc. 6301 is laying off 64 people at 6301 Owens Mouth Avenue in Woodland Hills. You have November 27th, Farmers Group Inc. is laying off 3 people at 6301 Owens Mouth Avenue in Woodland Hills. November 28th, Farmers Group Inc. is laying off one person at 6301 Owens Mouth Avenue in Woodland Hills. October 30th, Farmers Insurance Exchange is laying off 124 people at 6301 Owens Mouth Avenue in Woodland Hills. And last but not least, you have Farmers Insurance Exchange on October 30th is laying off 2 people at 6303 Owens Mouth Avenue, Woodland Hills, and that's in California, obviously. So those are the California companies that are laying off, starting with the letter A through F. And I promised you that I wouldn't just leave you hanging. I wanted to give you some good news. Again, if you've experienced a loss of income due to a job loss, due to being furloughed, due to a divorce, due to an illness, whatever the case may be, there is help. I told you, you do not have to lose your house just because you lost your job. There are many programs out there. There are forbearances, there's repayment plans. A more permanent option, if you want to keep your house, is a loan modification. A loan modification is simply restructuring your existing mortgage. So it's when you are asking your servicer, your lender, to make your payment affordable, right? And they can do that by lowering the interest rate, extending the term of the loan, offering forbearance, offering forgiveness of the principal amount. And so I want to let you know that I've been helping my clients modify their loans, make their payments affordable for years. For years, I've helped numerous of people. And I want you to know that if you have any mortgage or real estate needs, please visit me at modifymenow.com. That's modifymenow.com. Then I want you to follow me on all my social media platforms at Go Lacy Robertson. That's Lacy without an E and Robertson with a T. So remember, if you need help with your mortgage, you've experienced a loss of income, or if you want to refinance, purchase, sell, finance property, visit me for all your mortgage and real estate needs. Visit me at modifymenow.com. I look forward to working with you and for you. And until then, have a blessed day.